Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this very quick tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to integrate Getresponse with your WordPress website and how to add this beautiful pop-up to WordPress in 5 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to head over into your Getresponse account, and if you don't already have a Getresponse account, you can use the link down below the description in order to sign up to Getresponse, and also you can watch the video appearing in the I button in order to see a full tutorial on Getresponse. In that tutorial, I have also taught you how to integrate Getresponse with WordPress. So if you want to learn how to set up everything, then you can watch this video as well. Okay, so once you are here, what you basically need to do is that you need to go into tools, then you need to go into forms and pop-ups. So from here you will be able to see one of the pop-ups that I've created earlier. Let me go ahead and delete this for the time being. And now I have to show you how to create this pop-up from scratch. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on create. And now I want to create a pop-up, so I'm going to select in a pop-up and click on next. Now I can select any one of these pre-designed templates here. So let me scroll down. And I really like this particular template right here, so I'm going to use this template. So let's click on use template. So as you can see, this is what the template looks like. I can make changes to this template. I can maybe change the text here to say something that I like. For example, let's see. So I'm just going to type in something like grab your discount. And I can create a promo code here if I want to. I'm going to create a separate tutorial on how to create these promo codes and how to promote your products easily using Getresponse, but I'm not going to do that in this tutorial. So let's skip that part over. Okay, so now that this pop-up has been created, let me click on next. And now we're going to be taken into this particular page where we have to choose our audience. So let's go ahead and choose our audience. So I want this pop-up to be viewed by all kinds of visitors regardless of what a device they're coming in and regardless of whether they are new visitors or returning visitors. So I'm going to be selecting all in both of these spaces, and inside of country also I'm going to be selecting everything, since I want everyone from each and every country to have the ability to see this pop-up. Okay, so now with all these things selected, I'm going to click on save. And then inside of triggers, I'm going to go to choose triggers, and I'm going to be adding after n seconds because I want this pop-up to be triggered after about 10 seconds of somebody staying within our page. There's also a bunch of other triggers here. You can go through any one of these that you like and add any one of them. They're very easy to understand, so I'm not going to be explaining that part to you. Okay, let's skip over and let's click on save. And now we have to add the timing of the pop-up. So let's go to set timing. And I want this pop-up to be published immediately, so I'm going to be selecting display immediately after publishing. And the display rules, I always want this to be displayed even to the visitors that I've already seen this pop-up, so I'm just going to be clicking on save. Now lastly, I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to name this pop-up. Let me name this pop-up. Now I want this pop-up to be displayed in my entire website. I'm just going to go back to my website, and I'm going to copy this URL from right here, and then I'm going to add this URL here. Okay, amazing. Now this is the part where we are going to be learning how to integrate Getresponse with our WordPress site. So this is something called Web Connect, and this is basically an API, and this is basically a snippet of JavaScript code that we need to add within the header section of a WordPress website in order to establish a connection between Getresponse and the WordPress site in question. So let's go ahead and see how to connect both of these things. So first of all, we have to click on Get Web Connect, and here you will be provided with this particular code. What you need to do is that you need to copy this code from here, and you need to select on Control C. You go back into your WordPress dashboard, and from here you have to go into plugins and click on add new, and here you have to search for this very special plugin called insert headers and footers. Okay, once you're here, you have to select this one, insert headers and footers by WP Brigade, and you have to click on install and activate this particular plugin. Once that is done, you have to go into settings, and there you'll be able to find WP headers and footers. Click on that. I've already added one of these JavaScript codes earlier. This is from the earlier pop-up that I deleted when I started the tutorial. So let's go ahead and delete this for the time being. And I'm going to be replacing this with the current code that we have copied. So Control V. Okay, so this has been added. Now I have to remove the indentation a little bit. For that, I'm going to be clicking on backspace here and backspace here. Amazing. So that is done. I'm going to go back. Now I'm going to scroll down and click on save changes. Okay, amazing. So the settings were now saved. Now I need to head back into Getresponse, and then I have to click on save and publish. Okay, so now you can see that the new pop-up has been published, and now what I can do is that I can get back into my website. I can copy this URL from here, and I can open incognito. Then I'm going to type this here, and let's see if our pop-up is working or not. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, this beautiful pop-up is appearing on our website and it looks absolutely amazing. And if we want to, we can add a whole email newsletter pop inside of here so that we can grab visitors emails and redirect them into the Getresponse account and do email marketing. So we can do a bunch of stuff using Getresponse. So definitely check out Getresponse. The link will be available in the description. If you like this tutorial, make sure that you like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, because I'm going to be creating more content about email marketing platforms within the future. So you don't want to miss any of those out. So make sure you do all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end, and have a wonderful day.